Good morning, friends. I am Aniket P. Today we all know that July 11, World Population Day. We know that India is standing second in total population. China is the first. So first we want to discuss about what is overpopulation. Overpopulation is an undesirable condition where the number of the existing human population exceeds the actual carrying capacity of Earth. Overpopulation is caused by a number of factors. We will discuss it later. Uh, it is possible for a sparsely populated area to become densely populated if it is not able to sustain life. So, I am back to my topic. My topic is overpopulation a threat? So, biologists and sociologists have discussed overpopulation as a serious threat to quality of human life. Some deep ecologists such as the radical thinker and polychemist Pendy Lingola see human overpopulation as a threat to the entire biosphere. The effects of overpopulation are compounded by overconsumption. This overpopulation occurs when a species population exceeds the carrying capacity of its ecological niche. It can result from an increase in births, fertility rate, a decline in the mortality rate, an increase in the immigration, or an unsustainable biome and depletion of resources. Now let us discuss various causes of overpopulation. The first one is the decline in the death rate, and the second one is agricultural advancement. Third one is better medical facilities. Fourth one, more hands to overcome poverty. Fifth one, child labor. Sixth one, technological advancement in fertility. And seventh one, pandemics and epidemics. And eighth one, malnutrition, starvation and famine. And ninth one, water storage. And 10th one, lower life expectancy. And 11th one, extinction. And the 12th one, increased intensive farming. And the last one, faster climate changing. So these are the various causes of overpopulation. Now we can discuss about the fatal effects of overpopulation. Depletion of natural resources. The effect of overpopulation are quite severe. The next one is degradation of environment, and the another one is conflicts and wars, and another one is rise in unemployment, and another one was high cost of living, and next pandemics and epidemics, and another one malnutrition, starvation and famine, and next was water shortage. So I think that overpopulation is a threat for human life. Not only me, but also for. So we can see here a ecologist named Alexander Paul. What he said about the overpopulation. See, the human overpopulation issue is the topic I see as the most vital to solve if our children and grandchildren are to have a good quantity of life. So everyone says that is overpopulation a threat. So we can't do anything. So do not waste our resources and other things. So we can lead a quality life without destroying the nature. So overpopulation is a threat. So we want to overcome that. Thank you.